In the year 2008, the United States experienced a devastating financial crisis that shook the very foundations of the American dream. The collapse of the housing market. This video aims to delve into the events leading up to this crisis, exposing the underlying factors that contributed to its downfall. The early 2000s witnessed an unprecedented boom in the U.S. housing market. Homeownership became a symbol of prosperity and stability for countless Americans, fueling a wave of optimism and economic growth. Mortgage lenders and real estate agents seized this opportunity, offering loans and mortgages to individuals who may not have qualified under normal circumstances. The pursuit of homeownership became accessible to many who had previously been excluded. As demand skyrocketed, housing prices soared to unprecedented levels, creating an illusion of perpetually increasing values. Financial institutions recognized the profitability of mortgage-backed securities, which bundled thousands of loans together and sold them as investment products to eager investors worldwide. Traders on Wall Street saw an opportunity to capitalize on this housing frenzy, fueling a demand for more mortgage-backed securities. In the midst of this housing frenzy, subprime mortgages became increasingly prevalent. These loans were given to borrowers with lower credit scores, often without thorough documentation or adequate financial stability. As the housing market overheated, the cracks in its foundation began to show. Housing prices started to decline, and many homeowners found themselves owing more than their homes were worth. Foreclosures surged across the nation, leading to a cascading effect that reverberated through the economy. As the crisis unfolded, government agencies and policymakers grappled with the severity of the situation, taking measures to stabilize the financial system and restore confidence. Public anger grew as the realization dawned that the pursuit of the American dream had been tainted by reckless lending practices and speculative investments. The collapse of the U.S. housing market in 2008 left an indelible mark on the nation, a stark reminder of the dangers of unchecked greed and unsustainable practices. It serves as a cautionary tale, urging us to learn from the past and work towards a more resilient and equitable future.